But this meal will probably last me like the 2 weeks, probably more. So yeah, I had to like get a lot this time so I can like save some for tomorrow and the next day, because I just missed the Popeye so much. So I got the 8-piece chicken. Of course I'm not going to eat all of this, but chicken sandwich, shrimp. My favorite is the shrimp and fries. Oh, and small cup of mashed potato and gravy. So yeah. Oh, this is the spicy chicken sandwich right here. Oh, and of course the biscuits. I don't really like the biscuits. I don't like any types of biscuits actually. But yeah. It comes with the biscuit. But yeah, I don't know what to like eat first. Right, I didn't really like ask for a drink, but I got one anyway, so yeah, it's Coca-Cola. Didn't really want it though, but they gave it to me anyway, so. Oh, hot sauce. I'm going to do. Oops, I've dropped my earphones. I'm trying to listen to something too, you guys. Okay. Okay, I'm finished with the 8-piece. I'm gonna save it. Mm. I really like this front. Mm. Every single night. Look at woman, you guys. A woman, the wrestler from WWE. Maybe I should punch in your mouth right now. And he did. Oh, it's just ketchup. I forgot to mention it for you guys. It's been a long time since I tried the potatoes. Still potatoes. Okay. Mm. John Cena is breaking into Hollywood, and woman we know, we know. Man, I can't stay still. Can't pronounce his last name. Yeah, God dang it. I bet you would. What is this? I got a bit. Cut the TV off. We'll beat up Popeyes. What's the problem? And try not to cuss. Then the white say. That's white woman. I'm about to sneeze. You be always my favorite number 2. You would be, you'd be always my favorite number 2. Woman. I was gonna dress up as a stupid idiot. They didn't have any more costumes, man. Cena sucks. I'm gonna try something. No, I don't think this one is big enough. Oh no, you're right tonight. Fuck, you can make nothing. You can fight, one fight. Benson's boy. Mama. Mama is Vince's boy. Mmm. Woman is so fine. He's so fine. Woman winnings. Wiggins. Winnings. How do you pronounce his name? Woman Wiggins. Come on, you guys say the name, man. Woman Wiggins. Woman Wiggins. Woman Wings. All this time I was saying his name wrong. Woman Wings. I'm looking at Woman Wings. I'm sorry. But Woman Wings is like so fine and sexy. I think he's like lead in the lead of WWE. I'm just getting to know information about him. He's becoming, well, he is my favorite wrestler now. But I'm trying to like learn more information about him. I'm looking at his most savage moments. Smash all of y'all, just like smash Steve Austin's. Y'all keep watching me, and I will smash all of y'all like I smash Steve. Was it Hollins? I forgot the guy's name. It wasn't my night. Relax, take a beer. Shut your mouth, alright? Shut your mouth. Take a sip of your beer. All for all you guys. He was in character. He it's not script. He was really saying that. You do. Strips and investments right on social media. No, that I was doing every step missionary positions every single night. Move on just like you did 10 years ago, 2 years ago, 1 year ago. 0 years ago, you never did, you just moved on. Shield. Woman was with the Shield. Shield. I don't know how to do polls. I'm still getting used to this. B. I'm damn sure I don't feel that B. I think woman wings is like 6'3". It's a disgrace. Your whole family is a disgrace. I'm gonna smash you and send you right back to NXT. Maybe I punch you in your mouth right now. And he did it. He did. He's a savage. He's a Gemini. He was born in like a May. What year was he born? May 25th, 1985, I think. May 25th, 1985, I think. I'm just guessing, you guys. I'm just guessing. I'm not really sure. I'm just getting used to him. I'm just getting more information about woman wings. Undertaker, the Undertaker. Kane. Chris Benoit. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce some of these wrestlers' names. The one that passed away from shrink his wife and 7-year-old son. Who else? Who else? Eddie. Oh yeah, Eddie. Hollow. The one that cheats the one that cheats like sometimes in the ring. Of course, John Cena, The Walk, and Booker T. And who is the other one? Who is the other guy? Oh my god, he was so funny. My bad. Are you for real? Are you serious? What? What was it? All truth. My bad. Excuse me, woman. I'd like to get a few words with you. I bet you would. Fake A B. That John Cena can't see. Oh my god, he is like so funny. But anyways, I wanted to like do like a long video with you guys. I was like getting tired of like the short videos because it's not long enough, so I decided to like make this one. Get some of you to like see what I'm watching, even though you guys can't see it, but I'm watching, I'm listening to it, so that way I got the white earphone on, but anyways, hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment. I'm not really sure when I'm going to do back to I don't know when I'm going to continue these movies or music reactions, but I'll surprise you guys. Don't worry, I won't quit. I keep going for you guys. So anyways, keep up there on that, and I see you guys next time. Make sure to again to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to or not. And anyways, I see you guys next time I see ya.